Welcome children, continuity of the lesson, the Browning version by Terence Rattigan. Children, in my last class I told you Frank was talking to Tableau, a student. Frank was a teacher. Now Frank says he admits that that is no criterion. So you have got to wait until tomorrow to know your fate, have you? So he knows that Tableau will have to wait till tomorrow to know his fate. Tableau, yes sir. Tableau agrees. Frank, supposing the answer is favorable, what then? Suppose that you have been promoted. Suppose that your result is good, your performance is good, it's in your favor. What will you do then? What's your plan? Frank asks this question to Tableau. Tableau, oh, science, sir, of course. Tableau is very much excited. With excitement, he says that he will study science. Frank, who is a science teacher, becomes sad. He is sad. Yes, we get all the slackers. Slackers are those people who are lazy. Frank wants to say that only lazy people want to study science. Science is studied by only lazy people. Tableau, lazy students you can say. Tableau protestingly. Tableau showing his protest. I am extremely interested in science, sir. Sir, why are you saying this? I am very much interested in science, sir. He protests by saying, he protests the words of that teacher Frank by saying that he is extremely interested, he is very much interested in studying science. This he says respectfully. Frank, are you interested in studying science? He wants to know if he was interested in studying science. I am not. Not at least in the science I have to teach. Frank wants to know if he is interested in studying science, but he is not. Frank, the teacher, is not interested in teaching that science which he has to teach. Frank, the teacher, tells about himself that he is not interested in teaching that science which is taught by him. Tableau, well, anyway, sir, it is a good deal more exciting than this muck. M-U-C-K, muck means something very unpleasant. Something very unpleasant. Now Tableau has a book in his hand. He shows that book to Frank, the teacher, and tells him that science is more interesting, more exciting than that muck. Muck, which means something very unpleasant. He uses the word muck for the book which he carries with him. Frank, what is this muck? Frank, the teacher, wants to know about that muck, that book which Tableau has brought with him. Frank, what is this muck? Tableau, Aeschylus, sir, the Agamemnon. Sir, it's a drama, Agamemnon by Aeschylus. Now, Aeschylus was a famous Greek dramatist. He has produced many wonderful Greek dramas. So Frank was surprised. Frank is surprised because of the word muck Tableau has used for Aeschylus and the drama written by him, the Agamemnon. Frank is surprised at the word muck which Tableau has used for Agamemnon, a drama written by Aeschylus. Frank, and your considered view is that the Agamemnon is mug. Considered view after careful thought, when you arrive at a conclusion, that conclusion may be called your considered view. Frank tells him that his considered view is that the Agamemnon is muck, something unpleasant, something dirty. Tableau, well, no, sir, I don't think the play is muck. Now, Tableau contradicts himself. He says he does not think that the play Agamemnon is muck. I don't think the play is muck. Exactly, I suppose, in a way, it is rather a good plot. He praises the plot of that drama Agamemnon. Really, a wife murdering her husband and all that. What is the plot of that drama connected with? In this drama, there is a wife. She kills her husband, she murders her husband. This is the story of that drama. I only meant the way it is taught to us. The way that drama was discussed in the class, Tableau did not like that way, and he accepts it before Frank. He accepts this before Frank. Just a lot of Greek words strung together and 50 lines if you get them wrong. In this drama, there are many words closely connected with one another, strung together, joined together. And if any student makes any mistake while writing them or speaking them, he has to write or speak 50 lines if you get them wrong. If a student while reading that drama makes some mistake, then he has to read that line 50 times, or if while writing he makes a mistake, he has to write 50 lines. This is the punishment awarded by a teacher to a student if he makes any mistake. Frank, you sound a little bitter, Tableau. Frank, the young teacher, thinks that there is present in Tableau's voice some kind of bitterness. He notices the presence of bitterness in Tableau's voice. So he says, you sound a little bitter, Tableau. Tableau, you sound a little bitter. Thank you, children.